English learning course. Can I ask you a few questions, please?
Of course.
What's your name?
It's Jason Bell.
Okay, and what do you do?
I'm a student.
What are you studying?
Math.
Are you using a computer at the moment?
Yes, I am.
What sort of computer are you using, a desktop or a laptop?
A laptop.
You look tired.
Yes, well, I saw an advert on Tuesday for a jazz concert. I really wanted to see it.
When was it?
It was on Friday afternoon. I tried to get a ticket on the internet, but there weren't any left.
So, what did you do?
I went straight to the theater. I queued for 5 hours.
Did you get a ticket?
Yes, I did. I got the last one.
There's a good view from the living room. What floor are we on here?
The third floor. Well, what do you think?
Well, it's in a quiet location.
Yes, it certainly isn't noisy.
It says it's close to local amenities, so I suppose it's convenient for the shops.
But it isn't very convenient for the station. What about the flat itself?
Well, it's in excellent condition. And it's finished, so we won't need a lot of things.
There's a fitted kitchen, too.
It's too dark and this is an expensive area, so rents are high.
Yes, I'm sure we can find somewhere better for the money.